Welcome to the heart of Pangasinan's cultural essence, the Banaan Pangasinan Provincial Museum. Banaan, in the local tongue, means a meeting place. And this museum stands true to its name as a beacon where the multicultural influences of yesteryears meet today to shape tomorrow. Tucked away in the historically iconic Casa Real, right in the pulsating heart of the capital town, Lingayen, the museum unravels Pangasinan's cultural tapestry across 11 galleries. Among these, the Asin Gallery stands out with its revolving exhibits, celebrating various themes and seasons and shining a spotlight on local artists and their illustrious contributions. Booking a rendezvous with Pangasinan history and culture is just 3 steps away. Step 1. Initiate your journey by surfing to www.cpangasinan.com website. Identify the Banaan Pangasinan Provincial Museum logo or simply head to Plan Your Trip from the primary menu. Step 2. Dive deeper into the museum's microsite and catch the online reservation link conveniently positioned on the sidebar. Step 3. Pencil in your desired date and time, noting the 5-day advance booking policy. Fill up the form, hit the book appointment button, and an email will swiftly carry your booking confirmation. Culture, history, art. A trove of experiences await at the Banaan Pangasinan Provincial Museum. Journey into the heart of Pangasinan. Reserve your spot today and witness an intriguing and inspiring convergence of past, present, and future.